right, this is going to be a quick one, everybody. Good news, Apple has just released Game Porting Toolkit 2.0. No longer beta. This is the real deal. And if you didn't know what Game Porting Toolkit is that it's going to let you run your Windows games on a Mac. And it does it with pretty good graphics. So it's a way for you to test your Windows games quickly on a Mac. And you can see that it does support different tools out there like Whiskey and Crossover. And I've gone ahead and downloaded it. We can go through the install. But this is the official version. As you see, came out today. If we click on Game Porting Toolkit, you need to sign in with your developer account, and then you can download it. As you see right here, came out on the 15th, and there is the toolkit, and here is the evaluation environment. Let's go ahead and run through the installer. So here it is, 2.0, and I want to go ahead and install it. So this is the 6 items that are part of it. Let's go ahead and install it. So I'm going to install the evaluation version. Right, and then here is the README that's included in it, and it walks you through getting it up and running. So these are the requirements. This is for testing out Windows, and then it says this is how you can use it. Use a pre-built evaluation environment, and they walk you through getting it through a couple of examples here. So here is Whiskey, right? And again, this is community supported, and here's how you can go ahead and run it through these features right here. All right, so that is how we do it. So basically build your own environment from scratch and you can walk through it. And this offers support for a lot more applications. If you want to wait for Whiskey to update it, you can do that, or you can go ahead and get Crossover, or you can compile it yourself. But once you're there, you're going to be able to run a bunch of new games with a bunch of different support. All right, and if you need the Whiskey application, you can just go to getwhiskey.app. The latest version is from November 9th, but expect an update now that 2.0 is officially here. And the people in Reddit are also saying that, have you seen any improvements yet? Again, this just came out. This is hot off the press, so they're starting to add notes. And again, it should work with some of your latest games. It does support some of the other features here. And again, if you need to highlight or you want to see more about it, this is how it is going to work. Like I said, it's really cool. The last beta was November 21st, and like I said, we are off to the races, and I'm excited to see what this does for Apple gaming. I'll include the links in the description. So as always, thank you for watching Tremble Tech, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.